What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about removing the security tab from File Explorer using Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so removing the security tab within File Explorer using an Intune policy is super easy. First thing that we need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Show All. So click on it. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. So find it and click on it. Great. So on your left-hand side, we are going to click on Devices. And on the middle of the page, we're going to locate underneath Manage Devices. We're going to click on Configuration. And from here, we're going to click on Create. And we're going to select New Policy. On the right-hand side, we're going to click on the Platform dropdown. We're going to select Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, let's click on the dropdown and we're going to select Settings Catalog. All the way in the bottom, we are going to click on Create. Let's give our profile or policy a name. I gave it the following. Pretty self-explanatory. And on the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next. And it's time for us to add the settings. So let's click on Add Settings. And for the search, I'm going to type in the following. Remove Security tab. You're able to hit Enter on the keyboard or click on Search. And it's only going to provide you one thing. So Administrative Templates, Windows Components, File Explorer, we're going to click on that. As soon as you click on that, at the very bottom, it's going to give you the option that we want. So we are going to check it off. Great. On the upper right-hand side, we're going to click on the X to close the side menu. And it is time for us to configure it. By default, it is disabled, so we are going to slide it to your right to enable it. On the lower left-hand side, we're going to click on Next. For scope tags, I typically don't add anything, but Microsoft added one for me by default, and it is called Default. On the lower left-hand side, we're going to click Next. For assignments, I'm going to click on Add Groups. I'm going to select my group, and I'm going to click on Select. Now, the group that you assign this to has to be users, okay? This is not for computers. This is for users. This is for the user section. Okay, not for computers, users. So make sure that the group that you're selecting has user accounts. I am going to click on Next, which is located on the lower left-hand side. You're going to get a nice review. And on the lower left-hand side, click on Create. And on the upper right-hand side, you're going to get policy created successfully. And if you give it some time, you're going to see your new profile/policy. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.